Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mute or censor a part of a video with beep sound using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to open the project I have just created. Okay, and I'm going to mute or censor a part of this video. Wait, let me choose the part. Okay, I need to play the video guys to choose the part. Wait, let me play it.
Today is his birthday.
Okay, I'm going to censor his birthday part.
Today is.
Okay, I'm going to split the part here.
His birthday.
Okay, we can split it and I'm going to mute the sound of this part. And let me play it first.
Today is.
Okay, and now it's time to add the beep sound to censor this part. We can go to the audio, go to music, and for the beep sound, I have already downloaded from the internet. So I'm going to import it. I'm going to extract audio from video, and this is the beep sound. And let me play it. Okay, just like that. Let me play it one more time. Okay. Or actually, you can use the sound effect from InShot, but you need to search for the beep sound first. For me, I got the beep sound from the internet. Okay,
It is
like this. And you can continue edit your video. And just select the part, guys. And after that, you're going to move the part, mute the part, and then replace it with the beep sound, and that's so simple. It doesn't need like complicated editing just to censor or mute a part of a video. And okay guys, that's how we can mute or censor a part of a video using beep sound on InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!